Good evening RH simulation members, hello again on this new video. So today's video is going to be a full flight from Munich airport to Vienna in Austria. So it's going to be in two parts. The first part is the cockpit preparation, startup and takeoff, and the second part is going to be the approach phase. I'm not sure if I'm going to upload both parts in sequence. I mean, I put the first one and then the second one, or I'm going to put them separately, but the most important thing is to enjoy the flights. This is the first thing that I want to mention, and the second thing is I'm using Beyond ATC. So Beyond ATC sometimes does some lags or misunderstanding between pilots or human and between the AI, but we will try to figure it out. I was using before the say intentions, and also at some moment it was doing some crazy stuff, and that's it. So let's go inside the cockpit and let's start powering up the aircraft. Batteries, external power, fuel supply, oxygen, strobe, nav, seatbelt, no smoking, arm, emergency lights, and let's let the aircraft doing the stuff. So you may notice some lags because I'm using a lot of information in the applications in the background. I'm using Beyond ATC, also Rex core for enhancement of the weather. I'm not using the what we call it, the flight simulator weather, but whatever. Let's start now preparing the MCDU. So we go to the EFB, we bring the flight plan. Let's reduce the brightness a little bit. That looks good. And let's load the aircraft. We put it instant. I don't want to waste a lot of time, and let's go. We bring the tablets and we start configuring the aircraft very quick. Okay. So here what I need for the moment, I need only the sim brief. Let's click sorry, let's click on view. And first of all we go data, we check the AIRAC, the engine. We are using the IAE, the previous video engine. Then we are good in the AIRAC. Let's go to the init page and let's program. So we have EDDM, we are flying to Vienna. Request, the alternate is going to be EDDP. Flight number with 31 alpha. Cost index is 18 and flight level 250. Wind temperature is temperature is 3, and wind we are going to request it to not waste time. Then the tropopause, let's see how much we have in the tropopause. Flight log, let's take the top of descent 410, 41,000 feet. The wind is uplink, and next we go to flight plan, EDDM, and we go for, where is it? Come on. I think it's lagging the tablets. I think so. No, it is not. Well, yes, it is. So let's take it from here. Okay, here we have it. So to decode this one, the N means TAS. We are going at 384 TAS, flight level 250, and let's start EDDM. Departure, we have runway 08 left for departure, and then cleared to Quebec departure. Here we have it. We insert it. Then airports, we go to Kirdi. We have a direct to Medel. Direct Medel, my friend Mike. Next waypoint, and then we click direct to Masur. Next waypoint, and we insert it. Arrival, we have runway 16, so we are choosing ILS runway 16. We are going to do category 2 landing because we have, I think, low visibility, and we are Masu 3 whiskey. Masu 3 whiskey, here we have it. We insert it. Then we go down, we clear the discontinuity and insert. Then we go to, in case of the diversion, so let me bring the alternate routes. Here we have it. This is the route. I need the alternate one. I don't want to descend like that. Okay. It is just above, come on. Alternate route, here we have it. So the departure is going to be Yo. Let's look for it. Very strange name. Wait. Sorry, no, Lanux. So it's Lanux. 1 Foxtrot, isn't it? Yes. We inserted. Then airport. We have it inserted. Let's go to EDDP. We have arrival runway 26 left, so we put ILS 26 left and Yaoyo 1 Victor. Okay, I think it has a meaning, Yaoyo, something like that. German followers, let me know in the comment if it has a meaning. Then we go to secondary flight plan. Copy active, and here we bring what? We bring black box website. We write EDDM, insert engine out SID 08 left, engine out track 080 to 25 nautical miles, and hold. Perfect. So we go to EDDM, and then we select, no, not EDDM, let's select fix info. Or no, let's create a not fix info, I'm saying bullshit. Let's EDDM place bearing, so let's put EDDM 08L bearing to, how much it was, 080 and 25 nautical miles, isn't it? It is. So here we have created the PBD. Then at PBD we hold, let's leave it 08, and that's it. Then PBD here, new destination EDDM, new destination EDDM 08, right, is going to be no star return. So we have finished with the secondary flight plan. This one is not available for sure, we forget the nav. Let's turn on the APU. Start, and then we go back. So we did data init A, flight plan principal 1, secondary. Now we go to radio nav. Well, we wait now for radio nav. Let's go to radio nav. So we are having an ILS. What is it? Here, yes. Let's bring the tablet. Phoenix EFB. We have it. Now we have the ILS. Let's put ILS frequency. Well, it should be automatic, but let's try to put it arrival now. Approach. So we have 16, this one. 16. Okay, so we have one. Let's write only the name of the ILS, Oscar Echo Zulu, and then we put it here. It's going to give us the frequency is runway ILS frequency mismatch 108.5 mismatch, they say. This one is for the ILS DME, and course 159er. No, 159er for this one. It should be, well, it's going to insert it automatically, so let's just leave it there, and then we double check because it's saying mismatch. So let's leave it there, and then we insert the radio nav. So let's skip it right now. Then we go to departure, flap 1 plus F, packs are going to be off, calculate. So we have 149, V1, VR 149, and V2 150, flex temperature of 67, and flaps down 1/down 0.5, and engine out acceleration 3000. We have it 3000. So let's insert 3000 here. Perfect. Then we go to progress 16. Looks good. Let's wait 6 minutes for the IRS. We have flap open. Okay, that's why I was saying, like, we started the APU. It has been a long time. Why is not available? So next we go to init B, and let's insert. Okay, give me 1 second. Let's put this one here. Let's go to ATSU, AOC menu, received messages, load sheet. So we have zero fuel weight of 60.2, and CG of the zero fuel weight is 32.8. let's see. Correct. So 32.8. and how much fuel on board do we have? We have 6.2 ton, 6.2 and 6.2. correct. So 6.2, and let's calculate. Let's skip. Okay, let's leave the MCDU calculating the thing. Then after that we accept it, we return, we accept also the first one, and now we need to double check the route for the well, it's not yet, man, so we should wait. Still nothing. Okay, so let's insert the QNH is 1018. So 1018 sets, and meanwhile we listen, or we request directly the clearance. So let's bring the charts. Here we have departure charts, then we go to ground, then we go to the airport charts, and let's contact delivery first. So 121 730. 121 730. First of all, you should listen to the ATIS, but we have everything. So we are on the right frequency, I think so. Yes. Okay, let's see the ATIS.
Zulu. Wind 085 at 5. Ceiling and visibility okay. Temperature 09er. Dew point 07. QNH 1018. Landing and departing runways 08 left, 08 right. Transition level 050. Advise on initial contact, you have information Foxtrot.
Mention delivery, good afternoon, Wizz Air 31 Alpha with you, radio check 121.73.
Wizz Air 31 Alpha, reading you loud and clear.
Wizz Air 31 Alpha, we have Zulu, I think, information on board, QNH 1018, request clearance to Vienna. It was Foxtrot, no. Memory.
Wizz Air 31 Alpha, Munich delivery, expect runway 08 left, 32 Quebec departure, initial climb to flight level 070, squawk 1000.
We are clear to Vienna, departure runway 08 left, departure cleared to Quebec, initial climb flight level 070 and squawk 1000, Wizz Air 31 Alpha.
Wizz Air 31 Alpha, read back correct. Contact ground 121.908 when ready for push or start.
Ground 121.908 when ready for push and start with Air 31 Alpha. So let's contact ground 121.908. So for the moment, the Beyond ATC is working well, okay? But let's see. Let's see, well, in the next minutes if it's going to work well or no. Okay, we are waiting for the IRS because sometimes you request for example another runway for arriving and the guy is like no, negative, or what's keep me, or yeah, what the most important thing that make me nervous is when you ask for example an ILS approach and then no, we are going to Victor U, expect Victoring. Man, I expect Victoring if you give me the right headings, but the guy sends you to Afghanistan and you are doing approach in Vienna. Well, whatever. We have another standby QNH, nice. 2. We have how much? 2 QNHs. 3. Magnificent. 2. Is this working? Well, how much? We have 1460. Let's look for 1400. This one is 50, 60 is maybe here. Okay. So let's contact ground. And let's double check. We are stand. I don't even remember which stand we are. I think I can see myself. Yes, we are stand Which one? Well, 217 Bravo. Okay. Let's write it here. 217 Bravo. We have down. Sorry, the GPS. We have it. So let's request the pushback and startup. Mention ground with 31 Alpha with you stand 217 Bravo. Request pushback and startup. $2,000 years later. Okay. If you see the video it's 3 hours, it's because of Beyond ATC. Mention ground with 31 Alpha with you stand 217 Bravo. Radio check please.
Wizard 31 Alpha readability 5.
He heard the readability, but the clearance no, or the request no. Okay, let's do it again. Mention ground. Good afternoon. Wizard 31 Alpha with you stand 217 Bravo. Request pushback and startup please.
Wizard 31 Alpha Munich ground pushback and engine start approved. Face north.
Pushback and startup approved. Face north. Wizard 31 Alpha. Thank you. Yes, we got the clearance.
My pleasure.
He said my pleasure. Okay. Okay, that's great. So I double checked right now quickly the frequencies. All good. Let me do quick. Let's go over here, departure and KD to Quebec. So to Quebec 08 left 08 okay, to 10 per nautical mile. Okay. So 08 left is this one. Departure. Okay, first point we need to be at mention in DB. Okay, forget because we don't have it here. No. Then to distance 6.8 DMN. Here we have it. Left, right turn 230 max, checked.
Skywings 4, ramp golf 11 taxi via Alpha 9er, Whiskey Whiskey 2, Delta 1, Charlie 2, Delta 6, Delta Echo Echo 3 Kilo 1.
Ratsky. Here we have it.
Ramp golf 11 via Alpha 9er, Whiskey Whiskey 2, Delta 1, Charlie 2, Delta 6, Delta Echo Echo 3 Kilo 1, Skywings 4.
Then left turn to Mebec. Okay, here we have it. Left turn to Mebec, then right turn to Kirdi. Then right turn 05 to Kirdi. It is correct. After 8,700. Borrow arm of equipment necessary. Okay. Routing, as part of the departure in progress, pilots have to proceed exact extend the center line until starting turns are published in departure routes. Okay, perfect. Perfect, my friend. So we are clear to push back facing north. So let's bring here the pushback and pre-plan. So now we are facing north this side.
City Air for Uniform Yankee, gate 231 taxi via Alpha 9er, Whiskey, Whiskey 2, Delta 1, Charlie 2.
Okay, here we have it, boom, and then
Gate 2, Tree 1 via Alpha 9er, Whiskey, Whiskey 2, Delta 1, Charlie 2, City Air for
and
Uniform Yankee.
let's go with the cockpit preparation checklist very quick. Gear and pins and covers are removed. Fuel quantity 6.2, we have it here, 6.2. then seat belts on, we have it in the ICAM also. ADRS nav position checked. Baro reference 1018, 1018, 1018, 1018. Okay, thanks. And cockpit preparation checklist completed. Before startup checklist, parking brake is set for the moment, and we have windows and doors. Doors are closed, the windows also closed and armed, doors armed. And the takeoff speed, the V1 VR V2 49 49 50 flex 70 67, sorry. Beacon light is on, and before startup checklist is completed. So let's release right now the parking brake. Parking brake is released, and let's hold the position. So now we are clear to start up. Ignition and starting engine number 2. Engine number 2 is starting. Perfect. So unfortunately we had how to call it, an add-on. It was available in sim how to flight sim.to, but this add-on actually it reduces the texture of FSLTL because they are using high quality texture, and in the simulator you don't need a high quality texture for traffic. Why? Because I'm not seeing the traffic at maybe 10 meters. All the traffic are far away from me. And also another thing is that the traffic with low quality, that's fine for me, but unfortunately FSLTL contacted the author of the add-on, and now it is not available, but we have engine number 2 available. That's good. Starting engine number 1. Engine number 1 is starting, and after that we are going to start taxiing actually. So let's prepare the ground charts. Here we have ground charts, airports, and I think we are going to start taxiing via November 3, then November until holding point Alpha 2 of runway 08 left. That's what I'm guessing. And for sure the lag is still here with the FSLTL. I don't know why they did this, because actually I was using the downscale texture and I had a better performance, but since they stopped it and I reinstalled the simulator, now look, I'm having this lag because of the FSLTL. So we have engine number 2 available. Let me take a look on the values that they are correct. APU bleed coming off, APU coming off, taxi lights on, and let's do the flow. Why? Because flaps are still in extension. Now it's okay. Yes. So let me bring the after startup checklist. Anti-ice not required are off. ECAM status normal. Pitch trim not yet. Now we do it down 0.5. so here one more, down 0.5. Rudder trim is neutral, and after startup checklist completed. Let's do some our flight control check. Full left, full right, neutral. full up, full down, neutral. Let's go with rudder, full left, full right, neutral. Taxi checklist. Flight control are checked. Flap setting conv 1 plus F. Radar and wind shear and predictive wind shear is on and auto. Engine mode selector norm. ECA memo. Takeoff no blue. Waiting for the cabin. And taxi checklist is completed. So let's request taxi. Eurowings 31 Alpha request taxi. Not
with Air 31 Alpha, runway 08, left taxi via Whiskey 2, Whiskey November Alpha 1.
Taxi to landing point runway 08, left via Whiskey 2, Whiskey November Alpha 1, with Air 31 Alpha. Okay, so we are going Whiskey 2, this one, and then Whiskey November here, and then Alpha 1, this one. Holding point runway 08 left, confirm 08 left. So perfect, my friend. Let's tell the cabin to prepare for the takeoff, because maybe we are doing taxi for maybe 10 minutes more or less. So let's do brake check over here. Brake check, pressure 0. So in the real life you use this one, but I am linking my rudder pedals with the side stick and with rudder. So in real life you don't use rudder, you use this one. So cabin, we have cabin ready.
Hi, Captain.
We deviated.
Cabin is now secure for takeoff.
Thank you. Reset it and let's go back. So my friend, for the moment everything looks good, apart small lag. I don't know, because it's not even question of my PC, because I have medium to high PC. I think I said PC, so well, because I have an RTX 5060 Ti 16 gigabytes of VRAM. I think it's enough for the simulator. I mean, because we need more VRAM. Look right now, let's break a little bit. Look the performance, look the GPU, we are using 8.3. Okay, so this one is Whiskey 2, then Whiskey November. So this one is the entry of November. Okay, my friend. So then we go to Whiskey November, yes, this one. We take the left one. November from here, and then we go till the end Alpha 1. So confirm this turn, yes, because the next one is Mike, as you can see over here. If you have any suggestions on how can I downscale deliveries of FSLTL, please let me know in the comments, because, well, it's not such a big lag, but for me it's annoying.
Lufthansa 4 Echo, gate 215 Alpha Taxi via Alpha 9er,
So
Whiskey, Whiskey 2, Delta 1, Charlie 2, Delta 2.
Frequency for which one? For
Gate
tower.
215 Alpha via Alpha 9er, Whiskey, Whiskey 2, Delta 1, Charlie 2, Delta 2, Lufthansa 4 Echo.
Okay, tower runway 08. So 120,505. 120,505. Let's go here, 505. We prepare it, and then I think we are going to contact Munich or München. I don't know how to pronounce it. Departure. So we are departing north. I think 08. No, we are departing east. South. So do we have which tip? So we are going to depart to the south, I think. To the east. Yes, we are going to the east actually, but So strange. Okay, they will give us the frequency. So for the moment we are good. Just my CPU is struggling. I think I'm going to update it next month. I don't know. I don't know if I update my CPU or I buy the... We pass it, no? I think so. Not yet. So we turn over here or until the end. So let's look for it. Alpha 2, Alpha 1 is there. So I'm going here. So I take the next one. No, let's take not the next one, but the other one, this one. Yes, we have it. Alpha 1, runway 08 left. So I'm between updating my CPU because I have i5 12400F and it's actually quite a good one. But I know, even if I know some YouTubers that they have RTX 5019 and the latest CPU, but still there is a lag in the simulator. Okay, so let's break over here. Wizard 31 Alpha, holding point Alpha 1, runway 08 left, ready for departure.
With Air 31 Alpha, contact tower when at runway hold point.
Holding position and contacting tower 120.505 with 31 Alpha. Just want to confirm the frequency, man. Is it the right one? Come on. Yes.
With Air 31 Alpha, good day.
Munich Tower, Wizard 31 Alpha with you, holding point Alpha 1, runway 08 left, ready for departure. Ole!
With Air 31 Alpha, Munich Tower, wind 085 at 5, runway 08 left, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 08 left, cleared for takeoff, Wizard 31 Alpha. So, TCAS, strop, landing lights, takeoff, and let's do the lineup checklist. Let's give it some power here. Well, I am using also a lot of traffic. I'm using 5, but yeah, let's enjoy some traffic because I want full ATC for this flight. Okay, let's clear the left side. My left side is clear for the moment. Let's just double check, because even that, it's our responsibility too. It is clear and runway is vacated. So let's do lineup checklist. Lineup checklist, takeoff runway identified 08 left, TCAS, TARA, Pack 1 and 2 are off. Traffic, which one? Come on. Are you serious? Are you serious? Which traffic we are talking about? Let's wait over here. What the hell is going on? Here we have traffic. Yeah, okay. This is Beyond ATC. I love Beyond ATC. Let's just depart and that's it. no other chance. Okay, let's just depart and that's it. Holy shit. Holy shit, AI. We are going to die with AI, guys. I cannot even talk. 10,000 years to depart. Okay, my friend, let's go. Let's start the chrono. Let's give the 25% of power. And take off. Okay, Manflex plus 76 SRS runway auto thrust blue. Thrust is set. Engine looks good. 80 knots. Let's
All
continue.
aircraft be advised, information Golf now current,
Shut the fuck
QNH
up.
1018.
100 knots.
Munich Tower, Lufthansa 4 Hotel Tango, ILS runway 08 right.
Continue takeoff.
Lufthansa 4 Hotel Tango, Munich Tower, wind 085 at 5, runway 08 right,
V1
cleared to land.
rotates.
Runway 08 right cleared to land, Lufthansa 4 Hotel Tango.
Positive rate of climb. Gear coming up. Nav. All we have with the Beyond ATC is stutters. That's all we have with Beyond ATC. Wizz Air 31 Alpha airborne.
Wizz Air 31 Alpha, contact Munich radar 123.905.
Munich radar 1. Munich radar 1 to. Fuck. Munich radar Wizz Air 31 Alpha with you 3400 climbing to flight level 00.
Wizz Air 31 Alpha, Munich radar, identified, climb to flight level 120.
Climb to flight level 120 Wizz Air 31 Alpha. Ten seconds. Speed check, flaps up. Please on speed brake and let's go autopilot 1. Okay, quite stressful departure. It is unbelievable, guys. A lot of stutters. The traffic is not well organized. Passing transition out. Let's go standard pressure system. Okay. Now we don't have stutters. I don't know, I prefer say intentions more than Beyond ATC, but I don't know, each one, maybe each one of you guys has preferences. Cause look, the sim is struggling, but well, I'm sweating. Okay, I hope they give us a further climb. 80 nautical miles to the top of descent.
Wizz Air 31 Alpha, contact Munich radar 120.65.
Munich radar 120.65 Wizz Air 31 Alpha. 120.65. Munich radar Wizz Air 31 Alpha with you flight level 100 climbing to flight level 120.
Wizz Air 31 Alpha, Munich radar, radar contact, climb to flight level 250.
Climbing to flight level 250 Wizz Air 31 Alpha. Okay. We have a further climb. Now you can see we don't have too much stutters. Okay. Now drinking a coffee at flight level 148. So guys, once I use AI, I get nervous because because imagine you have a job to do. I mean, my job right now is to provide high quality for my followers, you know, high quality. I mean, not just quality of simulator, but of experience. so this is me, guys. When something bad happens, for example, they give us the clearance to enter runway 08 left, and then you see above you traffic. I mean, for what? I mean, for real, man. I don't know. Say intentions was not doing this stuff, okay? But with Beyond ATC, I stopped using it at certain moments because I bought the Beyond ATC. It has been maybe 1 year.
Lufthansa 1 Alpha Charlie, contact Munich arrival 128.03.
At the beginning.
Contact Munich arrival 128.03, Lufthansa 1 Alpha Charlie.
Okay. Then I had a problem because I was requesting, for example, I don't know, requesting heading change due to weather, and the guy there, no, like, you cannot change your heading due to weather. For real? Or he said, no, continue your approach to. No, in real life, when I was doing my time building, I was doing cross-country flights. I was flying, for example, from Madrid to Cordoba, or from Madrid
Fraction
to
317
Valencia.
Golf, contact Langen radar 127.6.
But this,
Contact Langen radar 127.6, fraction 317 Golf.
but then, my friend, when you go out the control zone or the TMA of Madrid, you should, well, first of all, you should contact Madrid control, and they give you some information about traffic, about they give you each time QNH because you are flying below transition altitude. So they provide you with some information, and I'm listening to the IFR communication of Iberia, of Ryanair. I mean, they help you, you know, they are helping you. But in Beyond ATC, no, the opposite. They are even giving you. I'm not saying that not say intention. Beyond ATC is bad. No, it's a good thing. But maybe they should optimize or develop a little bit the application. For example, these kind of things, they should not happen. They give you the clearance to land, and then you see an aircraft lining up in the runway. So in this scenario, the things goes bad, and you are not concentrated. So even if I don't remember what I was doing because I was frustrated at certain moments. But yes, so doing flight simulator or flying in flight simulator, it really gives you a good experience. And I was actually doing flying in simulator since my 8 years old. So I was playing FSX, and actually the simulator helps me a lot with
Wizz Air 31 Alpha, contact Vienna Center 124.4.
Vienna Center 124.4, Wizz Air 31 Alpha. Okay, let's go 124.4 with Vienna Center. Vienna Center, good afternoon. Wizz Air 31 Alpha with you, flight level 225, climbing to flight level 250.
Wizz Air 31 Alpha Vienna Center radar contact.
Okay, so actually the simulator helps me a lot.
Wizz Malta 542, contact Zurich radar 126.225.
It helps me a lot to land the aircraft, to
Center
handle
on
the aircraft.
126.225 with Malta 542, bye-bye.
And it was actually good. So if you are watching me and you are a flight simmer, you want to become a pilot, you are in the right way. You are doing a good job. But also don't forget your studies in the high school, or it is important as well. So yes, and also my job here in the channel is motivating the teenagers, and not only the teenagers. I know a lot of people. I had the comments of one guy, one follower. He told me that he did his PPL at 40, and then he see that he is too old to continue.
Good day, Vienna Center. Ryanair
So,
9 for a Romeo Alpha descending via Albert
if
to
you are
Echo
listening
flight
to
level
me, my
200.
friend, I want to tell you something.
Ryanair
was-
9 for Romeo Alpha Vienna Center identified.
I was studying with a guy who had 50 years old.
Lufthansa 2 Kilo
48.
Alpha, contact Munich radar 120.65. Have a good day.
He did the
Contact Munich radar 120.65, Lufthansa 2 Kilo Alpha.
So he did the ATPL integrated course, and now he is a flight instructor. And he has actually a good story, because he didn't find from where he earned money in order to pay the course. But always there is a solution. If you have any problem in life, always you can find a solution. So yeah, so at the end you are trying to, in simulator we are trying to bring it or simulate the real life as much as we can. I'm watching the traffic, okay, as much as we can, because it really helps you. And Beyond ATC, it's a good, I'm not saying that it's not good, no, it's a good tool, actually, AI tool to practice, but sometimes the application is doing crazy stuff. But whatever, if you want to learn the IFR communication, it's the best application to use. Okay, I disconnected by mistake autopilot. Let's connect it again. Here we have it, AP1. So my friend, let's go and we do small briefing for landing. So I'm going to because I'm going to decide later. So if you are watching till here, thank you so much, because this was the departure and the cruise phase. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoyed the communication, because the purpose also of this video is to communicate. So thank you.